How to deactivate your Roblox account. In order to deactivate your Roblox account, all you have to do is just simply open up your browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. After you are logged into your account, what you want to do is click on the settings of the gear icon from the top right and simply navigate to settings. From the settings page, on the left hand side, you want to go to the option that says privacy and content maturity. Once you're here, scroll down until you see an option called Account Deactivation and Deletion. Once you're there, you'll find an option called Deactivate Account. Click on the red Deactivate button. It will ask you for a confirmation that deactivating your account will hide your profile, and this is reversible. So in the future, if you want to reactivate it, you can just log into your account. So just click on the deactivate button to confirm it, enter your password, and your Roblox account will be successfully deactivated. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.